Welcome to the South Florida Drone Meetup. Beautiful day today here in Jensen Beach, and we're gonna have fun with friends, fly a lot of drones, and have a lot of fun.
Hey, Greg.
The captain in command.
How you doing, Chris?
Good, good. Hi, Chris. Nice meeting you.
Key Largo Dude. Key Largo Dude.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Nice meeting you.
A pleasure to pose with Chris Naga, my favorite Key Largo man.
Alex, your carbs. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
How's it going, man? Nice seeing you. Hey, what's up, bro? Good, good.
How do you like that thing?
I love it. It's nice.
That's the three.
Yeah. The South Florida Drone Flyers.
All right. Yes, sir.
Don Cerchione.
They're probably on the ground looking up at you, like right now, they go like this. I might have to step on.
Hey, what's up? Hey guys.
How you doing, brother?
Good, man. Good, good. Having a good time?
I am. Always do.
Yeah.
Is that the new one?
Yeah? What? World record drone.
All right, don't everybody take your eye off the drone. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Holy shit.
Oh, wait, that's the pellet. That's no sound.
Go chase the boat now.
Connection as soon as I got in the air.
I'm telling you.
Return home all at once.
I'm sure.
I'm getting horsey in appearance. That's been good.
That was good,
Good job.
right, Chris?
Yeah. That's crazy. Any DJI refresh claims. No, just kidding.
Yeah. Chris will take care.
You're doing good?
Yeah. I'm waiting that people get back before I bring back this one.
You're the smart guy flying the hotel.
We broke the record. Jim Beauchamp was the official counter. He counted 27 drones.
Woo!
And Josie double checked it, 27 drones. So thank you to everybody who participated. A beautiful South Florida Drone Meetup coaster. The United States Drone Society's pen. No more signing.
Celebrity signature.
Yes. An autograph. You want my autograph?
Yeah. My hat. This is my third year here, and we're having a lot of fun times, and the weather is fantastic.
Between the two of them, they have 6 billion, with a B, billion hours of watch time.
And they go swim.
Get my bathing suit.
You don't need to actually watch.
Well, it's like the Christmas displays. Turn it into 98.7 ballistic.
Okay, Mark. It's your cue.
But it will be good in the Keys, right? Definitely. Look at the fish underwater. Wow. Woo!
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. There it is.
And his YouTube page.
Yeah, we just don't plug it.
Find more about
All right, can you back up about this way?
And as far as the pizza will be here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Being picked up now.
I don't know who the band is.
I just want everybody to know.
And they're ready to go. So I backed up. I get back to the guitar player and I said, "What's the name of your band?" He says, "It's the Movie Dolls." I was like, "Oh, okay."
Wow.
And now here's the Goo Goo Dolls.
From anywhere from the 60s to today. So with my partner missing and crying today, we're going to kind of keep a little different, but hope you enjoy. And guys had a wonderful day today. Can't ask for better. So Have a great afternoon, and pleasure to be here.